That's all we got. Not that. That didn't care mucho. And of course, the most important part, Subi Bros sticker. Come on now. No stickers? What's the whole point of buying an item, you know? What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another TCV vlog. Today we got our Subi Bros rain light, the F1, the one that flashes 2 times when you brake. Look at it, we got it right here. I got the plug and play harness. Literally just plug it in, that's it. And then it came with this hardware to install it. Nice and neat. So the order did take about 3 to 2 weeks just because of the coronavirus, as everybody knows. Hopefully you guys are staying safe, staying at home, chilling, relaxing. I know it's hard, but what can we do? It's basically just get rid of the spread, you know? So yeah. But yeah, it took 2 weeks. It finally got here. They did not order it to my house just because the postal service is, well, the mail's not working, so I had to go to the postal service, go pick it up over there. But it was quick, it was close. It was like 5 minutes away from my house, so I'm good. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you how to install it. I did get the red length, but I did get the red one just because I wanted to match the whole back. I don't know, maybe in the future I'll change the color, I'll tint it black so it can match the headlights, or I mean the headlight, I always say the headlights, the tail lights. But yeah, let's get to it then. I do have the ramps just to work a little bit more comfortable under the car, even though I have a lot of space down there. But yeah, I'm gonna put the ramps up. I had to run for you guys just because, I mean, the car's warm, so don't bitch on me for that. So yeah, guys, Subi Bros, shout out to them. They do pretty good stuff. I like it. They did send me a sticker, the most important part of the whole thing, of the whole order, basically. I'll put it right there with the other stickers. Hopefully get that whole back windshield full of stickers. Alrighty, so the first step you gotta do is basically open the back trunk. Leave that press for a little bit. Open that back trunk. Take out all this crap that I have back here. Oh, you take that out of the way. I found a clip, I don't know where the fuck did that come from. Put it in my pocket. So yeah, you gotta take this out, that floor mat. And also take the repair tire, or emergency tire, or safety tire. Gotta take this one out also. And then last one but not least, the driver's side. So then there's these 3 clips down here. So this one, and this one. You're gonna take all those 3 out. You might need a flathead for these. So flathead, these are pretty simple. All you gotta do is literally put your flathead on the plastic, just pull it, and just come out right nice. That one came out. I'm gonna put it in my pocket. I got a zipper in the pocket, so that's good. So like that, easily. I'm gonna show you right now the other one so you guys have an idea of how it works. Oh, you basically, you grab it, right? All you gotta do is literally push it out and just come out. Once you got those 3 tabs open, then you just yank it up. Slowly though, don't want to break it. Take that out. That was a Raptor. Once you take those plastics, you got 3 more up here. Let me see if you guys can see. You got 1 there, another one. What's that? Another one down back there, and the other one up top. You're gonna get those 3. These are also simple to take out. Literally grab your flathead and just pull it out. Don't be scared. But be careful, there's two plastic. There's a clear one, like a white one on the bottom, and then there's the black one. The black one is the one that you want to take out. So once you take off that tab from there, it's gonna be like this, basically. Yeah, bro, there's a whole bunch of nice cars. That quarantine, bro, for all the race cars out there. Everybody's coming out with their car. The highways are empty. It's crazy. Here, look, let me show you guys what I mean, how it comes out. So you literally grab it, the black plastic, and you just pull it out. See how it comes out? Came out. All you gotta do is literally yank it with your hand, it will just come out. Oh, this one did not come out. That doesn't matter. It's all good. And just like that. Once you got them three, all you gotta do is just remove that plastic from there. Just put it to the side. Just push it for now. So we're gonna have this harness here, and that's where the plug and play harness is gonna come to play. We're literally gonna unplug this and then connect the other harness that the Subi Bros gave us. What you do is you get your plug and play, right? So this thing right here. This tab is super simple. All you gotta do is literally pull on that top tab right there, and it should come off nicely. Just be careful, don't yank it or anything. Like that, so it comes off. Now all you gotta do is literally get your plug and play and just plug it in there. Hear the click, it's perfect. Now plug the other one, oh shit. Shit scared me. This is plastic. Just plug that one into this one. So it's gonna look like that. Plugged in. I am gonna plug in the rear rain light just to test it out before I put it on. I want to make sure it works, because what happens if I do the whole thing and it doesn't work? So yeah, got it right here. I'm gonna plug it in. So the nice thing about the Subi Bros is that they come in color matched. So Subi Bros got your back. You literally just connect it. For those that are very bad or bad at wiring stuff, I know I'm bad. I hate fucking electricity and all that shit. I hate it. So you literally just connect it to each color and then you'll be good to go. So harness is plugged in. It's lighting up right now. Press on the brake. So it does flash, it works perfect. That's a good one. Take off the bottom parts, and there is a couple tabs. I'll show you right now. So there's one tab right there. And there's another one right here. There's two more, so one here and on the other side, inside the well, or whatever. Same screws as the other videos that I've shown. Flathead, just literally just get it, push it down, and then just twist it, push them out, and all you gotta do is literally just wiggle it out. So once you get those 4 tabs, this is how much space you're gonna have. You're very limited to the amount of space. So I'll try my best to get you the best angle so you guys can see what I'm doing up there. But yeah, now is when we can take out the small circle tab up here. All you're gonna do is push it in, and you should hear it fall. So you fold one corner and it should fall down into the ground. Perfect. The circle that we just took out, we're gonna cut a circle into it. I've seen people online slashing it like from one corner, from the middle to a corner. What I'm gonna do is I'm literally gonna fold it in half, and then I'm gonna get the scissors and carve a circle in the middle. So basically grab your scissors and just cut it, or even a square. I'll do that. This is what I got, a little diamond. Let's get my electrical tape and literally join them all together so I can have a nice clean look. Alrighty, so I got it all nice and straight. I did start off going in the long one, like a long tape, and I decided to go by pieces just because it's a little bit easier. So just a quick tip, I guess. 2 tabs down here. Fuck, bro, you guys can't see it. Well, there's these 2 tabs under the that square plastic. You're literally gonna push them in, and it'll just slide off, and then all you gotta do is literally push the piece out. Your two hands, you just push out, and then it should come out perfectly. Once you got that out, that's how it's gonna look. Now we're gonna assemble. So the Subi Bros brings these two tabs or pins, and they basically are for this hole right there. You see it? See that hole right there? That one and that one back there. So they're gonna come in, we plug them in there, and that's it. I'm gonna pass the cables first and then push the rain light in to it. So once you push it from the outside of the car into the car, you're gonna have the cables. I need to put the tabs on. You know what? Let's put the tabs first. So I got the tabs in there. Don't worry, you'll get through it. It's a little bit hard, but it's okay. I got through it. You can do it. Now we're gonna put the cables through that hole that we opened up, and then I'll show you the connections again. So cables are passed. Now I'm gonna show you that small trick that I did to the black cap. We cut it and stuff. Because we did a hole through the middle, all you're gonna do is literally pass them through the middle, each one of them, and that's it. Nice to go. Actually fits, so it's perfect. Just insert the cap again to the same spot. So perfect. Get that. And now connections. Basically how I said, same colors, and then that's it. Tuck that in, whatever you want, with some tape or something. Once you got that nicely taped in, tucked in, whatever you got, now we're gonna put it back. Also, a quick reminder, the rain light has an adjustment in the back to adjust how far you want the rain light out or in. I tighten it all the way just so it could sit inside the square. I don't want it to be out a lot. So yeah. Alright, let's go put back the plastics and the tabs. And now we're putting everything in. I got all those 3 tabs. Remember, 1 up there, 2, and the other one, where is it? Right here. Right here actually. And then this one, these tabs to put them back. I did break one, but I'm here to show you guys so you won't break. So what you do is you literally pull the tab back. So you pull the tab back, and once you insert it in the hole, twist it, and it will go in perfectly, and then that's when you can push the tab in. You're gonna hear the click. Once you get those 3 tabs, now we're gonna put the 4 on the bottom. Remember, they are 4. Alrighty, so all 4 of them are back. That's how it looks right now. At nighttime and off, this is gonna look better. Now I'm gonna break for you guys so you guys can see that double flash. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I think I'm just gonna finish off putting the little sticker because that's success for me. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoy. Please leave a like, subscribe, and until next time, peace guys.